As far as I remember, the company Sony is possibly the only big smartphone brand yet, which still doesn't adopt the current 18:9 display trend. But that's going to change this Sunday, as the company will be launching 2 new smartphones. Yes guys, a reliable Twitter leaker, Evan Blass, had just revealed a render, which shows the upcoming Sony Xperia XZ2. The high-quality render shows the phone with a complete new design, with smaller bezels than previous Sony phones and what looks to be an 18:9 aspect ratio finally. You can also see the power, volume and shutter keys on one edge of the phone, while the back seems to house a single lens camera. The fingerprint scanner is also placed on the back. Writing from his website, VentureBeat.com, Evan Blass stated that the XZ2 will sport a 3D glass on both faces of its aluminum frame, with the front offering a larger screen-to-body ratio than any previous Xperia. Its glossy finish comes in 4 different colors: black, silver, green, and pink, and is contrasted by the non-scratch polycarbonate finish. Both models will be full HD LCDs, and they are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The XZ2 will have a 5.7-inch display, while the XZ2 Compact has a 5-inch one. Both phones are said to offer Qualcomm's top-of-the-line Snapdragon 845 processor and ship with Android Oreo. Now talking about the camera, VentureBeat.com states that the XZ2 will have same 19 megapixel f/1.8 camera setup, just like what we have already seen on the XZ Premium. The camera will capable of 4K HDR recording and super slow motion capture in full HD resolution. The camera component layout is slightly different on the XZ2 Compact. As for other specifications mentioned by Evan Blass, the XZ2 will also have S-Force stereo speakers placed on the front face of the phone. The XZ2 will have a 3180 mAh of battery that's chargeable either via USB-C or wirelessly, while XZ2 Compact has a smaller 2870 mAh pack, and it will support only wired charging. That's all guys, we don't have any exact launch date of this device, but the XZ2 is highly anticipated to unveil at MWC 2018. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe our channel, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.